deem so. Some carburetors don't have an indent on the EPA plug, so I have to make an indent using a punch. Just be careful when you're using a punch. Do not hit the carburetor. The point they will break. So make sure you hit the plug, and you know where the plug is. It's marked. It's either in brass or and most of the time it's brass. But anyway, so punch and punch and punch. Make sure you get it as straight. You really got to get it straight because it's very small. You see in the next part. Alright, now you can line up your drill and make sure you're drilling straight on, of course. And you have to be very gentle with the drill bit because once it goes through, it hits the idle adjustment screw on the other end. So as you see shortly, I use just enough pressure, and once it goes through, you will have to stop because you do not wish to damage that screw in any way. Sometimes you do hit it and just push it in, that's fine. Just don't continue to drill like a madman. Wait for it. Here we go. Slow down. Nice. Now you're through. Okay, that's it. Next, you need to take a screw. I like to use just a wood screw because you get really good bite. You screw it into the plug. Just gives it a little bite, and don't go too deep because you don't want to screw. And take a pair of pliers and literally pull it out. So you got to give it a little wiggle. You got to be careful because again, the carburetor is cast. And yeah, just get that screw in there, and then give her a good tug. It'll come right out, and you'll have access to the idle adjustment screws. And then we have to clean them. And make sure you clean up your area because you have all that debris and stuff you just cut in the way. And if you get into the other stuff before you start your disassembly of your carburetor, remember, make sure it's clean, and then make sure you don't have anything exposed around when you start cleaning your stuff up.
Perfect.